Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these split transitions inside the Premiere Pro. So let's get started and create these split transitions inside the Premiere Pro. So first, import your clips to the timeline, and I would like to make the transition for 1 second. So cut the last 1 second in this left clip. Again, select the Move tool and duplicate this cut to the top track. Now select this top layer and move to the Effect Controls tab. Under the opacity effect, select the pen tool. Now we are going to make a mask in the program window. Let's zoom in a little bit, so we make the mask properly. Now here I'm going to make the triangle mask. Also, you can try it with different shapes. Then set the mask feather 0. And copy this mask 1. So right-click here, and select Copy. Then select the bottom cut. Now right-click on the opacity, and paste it here. Now enable the inverted. So our masking is done. Now we are going to animate this mask. So we have to nested these 2 layers. Right-click on this layer, select Nest, and click OK. Again, nest this bottom layer. Then move to the Effects tab, and search for the Transform effect. Apply this effect to the both nested clips. Now select this top nested clip. Then go to the Effect Controls tab. Under the Transform effect, make a keyframe on the position, and make sure the time indicator in the first frame. Then move few frames forward, and make the position X and Y value to 0. To make this animation more smooth, set these keyframe easy in and ease out. Move this last keyframe to the end of this clip. Then disable Use Compositions Shutter, and set the shutter angle 180 degrees. So this will add some motion blur to this animation. Again, do the same thing for the bottom clip. Make keyframe on the position. Move this keyframe to the first frame. But this time, we need to double the X and Y value. Then make these keyframe ease in and ease out. And move this last keyframe to the end of this clip. Disable Use Compositions Shutter, and set the shutter angle 180 degrees. Now fit the program window, and let's see the preview of this animation. Now move these nested clips 1 track above, and move the second clip, bottom of these nested sequence. We are almost done. Now we need to make a little break in the middle of this transition. So move the time indicator to the center of the nested sequence. Then select the top nested clip, and make a keyframe on the position. Now click on the position drop-down icon. Then pull down these 2 handles, just like that. Do the same thing for the bottom nested clip. And that's all for this split transition.